Find the difference. Show your work to earn full credit. The first thing I'll do is I'll copy the problem. Negative 6.5 minus a negative 120.81. And I'm going to grab a different color and then change the subtraction to addition. Remember, you do not change this first number. You leave the first number alone. And then I need to make two changes. It's easier to make these two changes because you already see two symbols, so you clearly have two symbols to change. Negative 6.5 plus a positive, we can just write plus 120.81. Like I said in the last problem, if you're ready to go straight from subtracting a negative to adding, if you know that these are the same thing, you can move directly from here down to here. Now, the next step is to figure out which number is larger in terms of absolute value. Remember, absolute value is distance from 0. Negative 6.5 is 6.5 units from 0. And 120.81 is 120.81 away from 0. So which is larger in terms of absolute value? Well, the 120.81. And then I need to think about, am I going to be adding or subtracting these? Well, think about your addition rules. If the signs are the same, you add. If the signs are different, you subtract. Well, this is a negative 6.5 and this is a positive 120.81, so signs are different. So I will subtract. Remember, with decimal problems, when you're adding or subtracting, you need to line up the decimals. And since these decimals, it's not as long, like this is 2 decimals long, this only has 1 decimal, I'm going to have to add a 0 to this 6.5. 1 minus 0 is 1, 8 minus 5 is 3. I'm going to have to borrow from the 2 and make it a 1, which allows me to give 10 to the 0. 10 minus 6 is 4, 1 minus 1 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 1. And then I need to think about, do I have more of the negatives or positives? I have more positives. So this is actually my final answer, 114.31, or you could say 114 and 31 hundredths.